If you're trying to decide between Zed AI, Cursor AI, and Windsurf, this video will help you pick the right one fast. By the end, you'll understand what each editor is best at, how their pricing compares, and which option makes the most sense depending on your workflow. If this guide helps, please hit like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's break down what each editor focuses on, because that's the easiest way to choose. Zed is built in Rust, which gives it a strong reputation for speed and responsiveness. If you care about performance, smooth navigation, and a lightweight experience, Zed is very appealing. It also supports real-time collaboration, so if you work with teammates or pair program often, that can be a big advantage. On top of that, Zed includes AI chat, inline assistance, and edit predictions, so you still get modern AI features without losing that fast editor feel. It also supports local models and custom API keys, which is great if you want more control over the AI tools you connect. In short, Zed is best for developers who prioritize performance, flexibility, and a clean workflow. Cursor takes a different approach. It's built on Visual Studio Code, which makes it feel familiar to a lot of developers right away. Cursor is designed as a powerful AI coding assistant, and it includes AI chat, code generation, debugging help, and code base understanding. That means it's not just about helping you write a line of code here and there. It can actually help you understand larger parts of your project and move faster through complex tasks. It also supports popular models like GPT and Claude, which is a big plus if you want access to strong AI capabilities inside your editor. Cursor is a solid choice for developers who want productivity, AI-assisted coding, and a more guided experience. Windsurf is positioned as an AI-first IDE, and that's where it really stands out. Instead of just adding AI features on top of a normal editor, Windsurf is built around agentic workflows. It includes cascade and flow features that are designed for multi-file editing and more automated coding tasks. It also has deep contextual awareness across projects, which can be useful when you're working in a larger code base and need the editor to understand more of what's going on. Add in an integrated terminal and live previews, and you get a workflow that feels very streamlined. Windsurf is best for developers who want a highly automated AI coding environment and prefer the editor to do more of the heavy lifting. Now let's compare pricing, because that often makes the decision easier. Zed offers a limited free plan with AI prompts and predictions, and its paid plan is around $20 per month. That puts it in a very similar price range to Cursor. Cursor also has a limited free plan with completions, and its paid plan is also around $20 per month. So if you're looking at Zed versus Cursor from a pricing standpoint, they're basically in the same category. Windsurf is slightly more affordable, with a paid plan around $15 per month, while the free plan includes limited credits. So if price is a major factor and you want strong AI features for less, Windsurf may be the most budget-friendly option. So how do you actually choose? Choose Zed if you want speed, flexibility, local model support, and a very responsive editor experience. Choose Cursor if you want the most familiar workflow with strong AI help, code-base awareness, and excellent productivity features. Choose Windsurf if you want the most automated, AI-driven experience with multi-file workflows and a lower monthly price. If I had to simplify it even further, I'd say this: Zed is for performance-focused developers. Cursor is for AI-powered coding inside a familiar editor, and Windsurf is for people who want the editor to act more like an intelligent coding agent. A good way to make the final decision is to ask yourself 3 questions. Do you care most about speed? Then Zed may be the best fit. Do you want a powerful AI assistant that feels close to VS Code? Then Cursor is probably the easiest choice. Do you want the most automated workflow and the most AI native experience? Then Windsurf is worth a serious look. The best part is that all 3 tools are strong in different ways, so there really isn't one universal winner. The right choice depends on your coding style, your budget, and how much automation you want in your daily workflow. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and it also tells me to make more clear side-by-side software breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.